Jumping right in, here's the finished look. I'll walk you through the design step by step. If you want a full tutorial on achieving a clean aesthetic rubber base, check out the linked video I already have posted. We're going to start with glitter. I feel like that's the only right thing to do. We're going to add glitter to 3 nails. 2 of them will be French tips, and then 1 nail is going to be a full plaid nail with 2 glitter lines. Now applying matte top coat to 3 nails as prep for chrome details. Once we get the matte top coat added, we're going to go ahead and paint on our chrome design, cure for 10 seconds, and then finish by rubbing the chrome over it for a smooth, shiny finish. Now switch to your dotting tool using the same concept with the black polish, dotting on in a circular motion, and then don't cure yet. Grab your liner brush and start to drag out from the center. If you have a finer detail brush, this would probably be better for dragging it out. I did not, so you could always just grab your dotting tool and bring back those details by just dotting over it again. After flash curing for 10 seconds, rub chrome on the remaining areas for full coverage. If you've been enjoying this so far, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. Please stick around. I can't wait to have you join our community as we learn and create nails together. We're going back in with our matte polish on 2 nails where the plaid will go because I wanted a few of the lines to be chrome. Let's complete the rest of the plaid using regular gel polish. This creates the clean, structured look of the design. I am flash curing between colors, so I'm using white right now. Once I get the lines where I like them, I'll cure and then go in with the black polish. For me, I noticed with Plaid, it's really up to you as the artist and creator how detailed you want to go and how many lines you want to add. I would say just start going with it and see how it looks, step back. I will say on the French tip, because it's basically only half of the nail, less might have been more here in this case for me. Once it was done, I still liked it. It's very beautiful, but I think I might have stopped maybe after this one or didn't do as much black. I'm not sure. What do you think? Let's add some stickers to enhance the design and give it a polished touch. Finishing with Topcoat, and here's the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to check out the linked rubber base tutorial if you want to master that step as well.